Ever wondered if there's a real formula to doubling your money? Join me as I take on the challenge of uncovering this secret can. I crack the code and share it with you. Doubling your money is a dream for many of us. It's a goal that feels simple yet always just out of reach. We all imagined it at some point. What if you had that extra sum of money that could change your life? But how do people actually achieve it? What's the real secret behind doubling your money? It's not just about picking the right investments. It's about knowing which strategies truly work and which ones don't. For many, doubling their money feels like a faraway dream, but it's actually more achievable than you might think. The key lies in choosing the right approach and committing to it. The idea of doubling money isn't new. For centuries, people have been chasing ways to grow their wealth. From seasoned investors to everyday earners, everyone wants to discover how to make their money work harder for them. So why does the idea of doubling your money capture us so much? It's the promise of financial freedom, the chance to live life on your terms, and the peace of mind that comes with having financial security. We've all heard success stories of people who doubled, tripled, even quadrupled their money. But the big question is, how did they really do it? What strategies made them successful? One of the biggest hurdles is the fear of risk. Most of us are careful with our money, and that's understandable. We don't want to lose what we worked hard to earn. Another major challenge is misinformation. The internet is full of articles, videos, and so-called gurus offering quick fixes and guaranteed returns. But the truth is, there's no magic trick to doubling your money overnight. Higher risk investments may sound tempting, but they can be dangerous. Yes, you might win big, but you could also lose everything. And then come the scams, promising riches, but delivering nothing but disappointment and loss. It's easy to get caught in get-rich-quick traps, but those aren't sustainable. The reality is, doubling your money takes time, discipline, and a reliable strategy. So, what are the real ways to double your money? One option is investing in stocks. While the market can be unpredictable in the short term, it has historically produced strong long-term gains. Real estate is another powerful path. Properties can generate rental income and increase in value over time. But they do require research, patience, and a significant initial investment. Starting a side business is also a great option. Turning your passion into profit can be rewarding and, with effort, bring substantial returns. You can also explore safer options like high-yield savings accounts or government bonds. They won't make you rich overnight, but they offer stability and steady growth. Another often overlooked way is investing in yourself. By learning new skills or starting a side hustle, you can boost your earning potential, and that extra income can help you reach your goal faster. Peer-to-peer lending is another method, letting you lend directly to individuals or businesses and earn interest. Or consider investing in a startup or small business. Risky, yes, but if it succeeds, the rewards can be incredible. The most important part is finding the strategy that matches your goals and your tolerance for risk. Do your research and avoid rushing into decisions. And then there's the most powerful wealth-building force of all, compound interest. Compound interest is interest that builds not only on your original amount, but also on the interest you've already earned. It's one of the simplest, yet most effective ways to grow money over time. The secret with compound interest is to start early and stay consistent. It won't double your money overnight, but with patience, it can turn small amounts into serious wealth. In the end, doubling your money takes patience, smart choices, and a disciplined plan. It may not be easy, but it is possible. By exploring real options, avoiding traps, and staying consistent, you give yourself the best chance of success. Next, one important point to remember is diversification. Instead of putting all your money into one single investment, spreading it across different assets can protect you from losses and improve your chances of growth. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Another helpful strategy is setting clear financial goals. Without a clear target, it's easy to get distracted or make poor decisions. Knowing why you want to double your money gives you direction and keeps you motivated. It's also essential to track your progress. Regularly reviewing your investments and adjusting when necessary ensures you stay on the right path. The financial world changes quickly, and staying informed can make all the difference. Lastly, patience is your best friend. Many people give up too soon, expecting fast results. But wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Staying disciplined, even during setbacks, can ultimately help you achieve your dream of doubling your money. So, what about you? Have you tried any strategies to double your money? Share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And if you want more financial insights and practical tips, make sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.